before, during, after. The country experienced an average of 20 tropical cyclones annually, especially between July and October. This peak season sees early 70% of typhoons developing, often hitting multiple areas at once.
What should you do before typhoon?
Families discussion. Prepare emergency. Staying calm. Create a disaster plan. Prepare an emergency kit. Secure your home. Stay informed. Prepare for power outage. Emergency numbers.
What should you do during typhoon?
People indoors. Listening updates. Staying calm. Stay indoors. Monitor updates. Turn off utilities. Avoid dangers. Evacuate if necessary.
What should you do after typhoon?
Community response. Checking homes. Cleanups. Wait for safety announcements. Pag-asa, CDRRM or NDRRMC. As a development communicator, you can significantly enhance typhoon awareness and preparation by employing targeted communication strategies. This strategy should focus on delivering timely, accurate, and actionable information to vulnerable communities.
Awareness, preparation, and reliance.